Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and I am so excited to bring this video to you today. As you can see in the background, I have my brand new pot set from Caraway. I'm so obsessed with this line. I'm just so obsessed with these pots. They're so beautiful. So before we get into the details, if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. I want to welcome you to the fun, the food, and the vibes. On this channel, you're going to see a little bit of everything. But today, it's all about my Carway pot set. All right, and I'm going to tell you guys how you can purchase your own. It is just so amazing. They're just so beautiful, and I'm very excited to unbox this one on camera for you. So let's do this. So it is extremely heavy. This is how you know that it's really good. So I'm going to just put it here, and I'm going to take my time. Oh my goodness! It says you're one step closer to a cleaner cooking because these are 100% non-toxic. They're ceramic cookware, and I'm just obsessed with the packaging. It's just the packaging for me. I need a knife or something. I'm gonna use a butter knife. Don't judge me. All right, here we go. Ooh, oh my god. And I chose yellow. Just look. How beautiful. How beautiful. It's just perfectly packaged. Cannot wait to cook some cornmeal porridge in this. Now with this pot set, guys, you know, you definitely do not want to use any type of, you want to use wooden utensils to cook. You do not want to use any type of steel or that type of stuff, metal spoons, because you're definitely going to ruin your pots. This cookware is what healthy looks like. I agree. I agree. Oh my god! Look! Ah! Guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. Yes, T. Oh my gosh. Cornmeal porridge. I see some fried plant going in here. I see some stir-fried vegetables going in here. The weight of this pot is just amazing. This is a great addition to your kitchen. For those of you who are obsessed with cooking like myself and obsessed with, like, you know, how everything looks and the aesthetics of everything, this is just a great addition. They have so many vibrant colors. I saw the black, I saw the white, I saw the yellow, I saw the green. I want them all. I want them all. My goodness. And the even better part is that this comes with your personal storage. So, look. How amazing. Let me turn it around so you guys can see it. How amazing is this? How amazing is this? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed and I'm happy because I wanted this for so long and I finally got my own. This will help me to stay organized. You want to definitely cook everything on low heat with these because you don't want to burn your beautiful pots. And for those of you who are interested, if you are obsessed or you want to upgrade the kitchen, upgrade the cooking, you definitely want to get yourself one of these pot sets. And if you use my discount code, you'll definitely get 10% off. So I will leave all the details in my description box below. And I am definitely gonna be showing you a few of my cooking videos using this amazing pot set from Carway. I love it. I love it. I have zero complaints. I'm extremely happy. And let me put them together and I'm just gonna show you guys everything just neat and well organized. Look at this. I'll put the small one in the middle. There we go. Yes, I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. Definitely impressed. I'm happy. Thank you so much, Caraway. This is awesome. And the yellow is a great touch to my kitchen. So really, really love it. Thank you guys so much for watching me unbox my Caraway pot sets. As you can tell, I'm very excited and I can't wait to show you the delicious meals that I prepare using my set. And remember, to receive 10% off, you want to hit the link in my description box. Also head over to my Instagram because I'll be doing some cool reels showing you myself using my Caraway brand new pot sets. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll see whenever I post. Thank you so much. Thank you, Caraway. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.